So what you can also do is you can select out multiple clips inside of Adobe Bridge and then send them out as a sequence in Premiere Pro. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select multiple clips right here just like this, and I'm going to hold Control and select these two clips as well. So let's say I want to go ahead and import them out in Premiere Pro as a sequence. In that case, I can simply go around onto Tools, then onto Premiere Pro, and here you can see that Edit Create a Sequence is an option. So if I were to go around and select this out right here, then it opens up Premiere Pro. So now you can see that Premiere Pro has loaded up right here just like this, and it loads up all of the clips right here. So it's importing out the files as you can see here just like this. And as you do that, you can see that these are the video clips right here just like this, which has been imported out directly from Adobe Bridge right here just like this. And you can simply go ahead and edit them away. Similarly for collection as well, let me just go around and press cancel and go back to Adobe Bridge right here. And I can go to video collections right here. Let's say, for example, a collection that I may have, and I can select all of the videos from the collection, and I can go ahead and send them out in Premiere Pro as well. So I can go around, click on Edit Create a Sequence, and they will get imported out over here as a sequence of video clips, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can send collection to Premiere Pro sequence by using Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.